how to create a new subfolder in Samsung email on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen or in the apps screen, open up the email app. Then from your inbox view, tap on the menu button at the top left. In the menu here, scroll down and then touch on the parent folder where you want to create the subfolder. So here I will touch and hold on the IT Jungle's mail folder. From the pop-up menu, tap on create subfolder and then give it a name. So here I can call it recreation. And then tap on create. And that's it. So that subfolder is now sit under my IT Jungle's mail folder. And that is how you can create subfolders in Samsung email. After that, you can tap on the back key to go back to your mail inbox. And from inbox, if you want to move mails to that subfolder, you can touch and hold onto that. Then tap on move. And then, for example, if I want to choose recreation, I can select that and that mail will be moved to that folder. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.